The modern energy grid is terrifyingly fragile. We've spent the last decade building massive solar farms and towering wind turbines. But we forgot the most important part. Where do we hide the power?
Wait, why do we need to hide it? Are we expecting someone to steal it?
Worse, surface infrastructure is a sitting duck. It is entirely exposed to extreme weather, cyber attacks, and geopolitical sabotage. But what if the next energy revolution isn't a bigger battery or a taller tower? What if the most secure power plant on Earth is the one you literally cannot see?
An invisible power plant? How does that even work?
We're going to show you. Welcome back to the Green Blueprint. If you want to uncover the hidden future of global energy, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. In our last few episodes, we looked at China's massive gravity battery towers. They changed the game by showing that mechanical storage can work at a massive industrial scale.
Right, hoisting those huge concrete blocks up and dropping them to generate power.
Exactly. But China's gravity towers are a highly visible target. They are engineering marvels, yes, but they are also exposed. Now, the world's top security-minded countries like Norway, Switzerland, and the US are asking a different question. How do we take that same massive storage capacity and make it bulletproof?
So, are they building giant underground bunkers for lithium batteries?
No. They are moving the grid into dead geography. And the first frontier isn't underground at all. It's deep underwater.
Wait, underwater? Like submarines?
Picture this. Deep-sea ROVs, remotely operated vehicles, navigating the dark, freezing ocean floor, installing massive, high-tech balloons. These are subsea energy storage systems.
Wait, how does a balloon store electricity? Wouldn't the ocean just crush it at that depth?
That crushing pressure is exactly the secret. Offshore wind farms generate incredible amounts of excess electricity. Instead of letting it go to waste, engineers use that power to pump compressed air into these flexible subsea tanks. The deep ocean water pressure acts as a natural crushing weight against the balloons.
Oh, I get it. So when the city needs power, they just open a valve, and the ocean's pressure squeezes the balloon, forcing the air back up to spin a turbine?
You nailed it. It requires zero toxic chemicals, and the deeper the ROVs install these systems, the more energy they can store, turning the empty seafloor into an invisible, infinite battery. But the ocean is just the beginning. If you thought subsea balloons were wild, what scientists are doing inside abandoned mountains is going to completely change how you view global superpowers.
Abandoned mountains? Are you talking about old coal mines?
Precisely. There are millions of abandoned mine shafts globally, plunging kilometers into the earth. Instead of letting them collapse, engineers are transforming them into a mine as a battery system.
Wait, how do you turn a hole in the ground into a power grid?
By using gravity. Imagine looking at a high-tech schematic of a mine shaft that drops 1,000 meters straight down. When renewable energy is cheap, massive electric winches lift thousands of tons of sand or rock up the vertical shaft.
And when the grid needs power instantly, they just drop the weights back down?
Exactly. The weights fall, spinning the winches in reverse, using regenerative braking to generate massive amounts of electricity. And because the shafts are already dug, it saves billions in construction costs while keeping the landscape completely untouched. Plus, unlike regular batteries, gravity batteries have zero self-discharge. They can hold that potential energy for years.
That's incredible. They're basically recycling the scars of the fossil fuel era into clean energy vaults.
Yes, but this isn't just an environmental project. Positioned inside deep-sea trenches and mountain-deep mines, these are strategic geopolitical assets.
Because they are safe from attacks?
Exactly. We are entering an era of energy fragility. A drone strike or a hurricane can cripple a surface-level battery farm in seconds. But you cannot map, hack, or bomb a gravity battery that is a kilometer deep inside solid granite. You cannot sabotage a compressed air grid hidden at the bottom of the ocean.
So they are weaponizing geography, turning dead space into an invisible armor for the grid.
The future of the grid isn't just about generating more clean energy, it's about hiding where we keep it. The race to dominate this invisible grid is already underway, and it's a race that won't be won on the surface. And this invisible infrastructure is just one piece of the puzzle. Next week, we're exposing the controversial technologies billionaires are funding to artificially control global weather patterns. You won't want to miss it.
Make sure you subscribe and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at @thegreenblueprint_TGB.
And hit the video on your screen right now to stay on this series. Thanks for watching.
Stay green, stay healthy, stay informed.